Ladies and gentlemen, the hour has come for this girl to go and Netflix and welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you guys back here. Today I'll be teaching you how to make very healthy and nutritious Zobo drink. Yeah, very healthy and nutritious Zobo drink. I don't know if we know the benefits of Zobo. Please, I will write I will have the benefits on the somewhere around, but you can also Google it. And the interesting fact about, I know some of you must have been having Zobo drink, but this particular one I'm going to be making, I'm not going to add any processed or artificial sugar or flavor. So it is all going to be packed with natural and healthy ingredients. So first of all, you have your Zobo. Zobo is called Hibiscus. Yeah. Then you have dates. We'll be using the dates to sweeten it. You have your cloves. Yeah, ground cloves. If you have the seed, is also fine. The next ingredient is ginger. Yeah. Then you have your cinnamon stick. Yeah. And of course pineapple. Okay, so I'm going to wash this Zobo, prep it, and prep the rest of the ingredients, and we'll start. This is the Zobo. So right now I'll add the pineapple peel into the pot. And I'll add some ginger. Add the cinnamon stick and the clove powder. If you don't have the clove powder, you can add the seed. Okay, then you go in with a liter or more than a liter of water and let this boil for about, the Zobo is boiling. I'll go ahead to blend the pineapple and dates. You can blend as much, you can use as much pineapple as you want. It's just going to add to the flavor. Then I'll add some water just to make this blend go smoothly and blend. Okay, so guys, this is our Zobo thoroughly boiled. So I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool for some minutes, yeah, before I mix it. So the hour has come to finish what we started. So I'm sieving this now, sieving the Zobo juice drink. Oh, this is pouring. So this has been properly sieved now. So the next thing, remember that our blend of pineapple and dates, I pour it into this mixture now and give it a quick stir. Yeah. And our Zobo drink, everything here, there's no artificial or processed whatever. Everything here is natural, from the leaves to the pineapple to the dates, the cinnamon, the ginger. And you can tell with all the things packed in this drink that it has a lot of nutritional benefits. Google is your friend, yes. Let me quickly add, as you can see, there's still lots of, you can still add water to this and boil it later and get more drink, so you don't have to throw it away. Yeah, so that is it. It's packed with a lot of benefits. The next thing now is to pour into jars and plastics, refrigerate and drink. As for me, it is time to go and Netflix and chill. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.